registered dietitian and part of nutrition program staff at The Gathering Place. Each week, we'll be bringing you quick and easy recipes. This week, I want to walk you through how to make a plant-based cheese sauce for mac and cheese. I have here 1 cup of walnuts soaked in a cup of broth. I've soaked the walnuts just to help make them blend easier so it creates a nice and creamy texture. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. In fact, one of the only good nut sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Specifically, they're high in alpha-linoleic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids have a number of roles in the body, including protecting cell membranes and having a role in proper immune function. I'm going to put this in my blender here. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a good source of B vitamins, specifically one of the only plant-based sources of vitamin B12. It also has a number of roles in the body, but most importantly, it has a role in proper neurological function as well as DNA synthesis. I'm going to put that in. And then I have here some veggies I'm adding. I have a 1/4 cup of chopped yellow bell pepper, as well as a 1/4 cup of chopped carrots that I'm going to add. Once I get this all in, I'm going to season the sauce with a little sprinkle of smoked paprika, about 1/4 teaspoon, and then I'm also going to add in a little bit of ground mustard, again about a 1/4 teaspoon. Now, if you'd like, you can also add onion powder, garlic powder, or a little salt and pepper too. Now, I'm going to secure my blender here and give it a good I think that's nice and creamy. I'm going to pop this off. Now I'm going to add the sauce to about 1.5 cups of cooked penne here. I'm just going to pour that in. And then I'm going to add more veggies to the dish. I'm going to add my sauteed spinach, onion, and garlic. And I'm just going to push this right in. And mix it together to make a nice creamy dish. I left a little pasta water in with the pasta to help mix it all together. This looks like a lot of sauce, so I'm gonna add a bit more pasta at the end to kind of even it out. But here you have a nice plant-based walnut cheese sauce for your pasta. Enjoy! For more recipes, please check out touchbycancer.org. Thank you.